2015 Audi S-5. I'm going to show you guys how to take this door off. I'll show you the trim panel, that door handle, and the mirror. Okay? I will show you guys where all the hidden nuts, bolts, and screws are, and then I will show you guys the work, okay? Especially this door, this trim panel, guys, have some hidden screws where you would never think that these people will put those screws at. I'm going to show you guys where those screws are hidden at. Okay, then I'm going to show you guys the work. All you guys got to do is pay attention, hit that like, bang that subscribe, baby. You know what I said? It's enough chit chat. Let's get to work. Alright guys, here we go. Let me get down here. The first thing what I want you guys to get down is right this. Okay? This is a star tip, guys, 6 point. This is a 6 point star tip. It's a T25, okay? T25. They also come like in this as well. Okay, they also come like this as well. Okay, so it's up to you which one you want to use. All right, first thing first, guys. Over here, we gotta get this piece off because there's a hidden screw inside of here. Okay, there's a hidden screw inside of here. So basically, go ahead and find a groove right here. Guys, see a groove right here? Put your tool right there. It comes out. See that? It pops right out. It comes out. Open it up. Okay? Open it up. It comes out. See that? It comes right out. Okay. Then this piece right here, we gotta take the harness loose. So basically, right here, guys, see right here, this piece. Squeeze it in. You're gonna squeeze it in, hold it down. I'm gonna pull the bad boy out, okay? Let me try to do it. Let me see if I can do it with my hand. On one hand. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Push it in, hold it. Now I gotta put that in the camera, guys. I gotta put the camera down for this one, cause it ain't gonna work. Yeah, I gotta put the camera down. Anyways, push this down, hold it, and you're gonna pull that bad boy out. Now, the reason why we move this piece is to take the screw from right there, the screw side there. See that hole right there? Bam. Guys, see that screw right there? It's black. You can't really see it. Anyways, the screw in there. Take the screw from in there. Then, I want you guys to come down here. You guys see that hole right there? See? Come down. See that hole right there? Is a next screw side there, okay? There's a screw in there. Take a screw from right there. Then I want you guys to come up here. See this piece? We're gonna take this piece off, guys, because there's a hidden screw that's behind there. Okay, so you're gonna come back here. Come back here, you're gonna find this groove right here, okay? You're gonna stuck your tool in there. Gonna pop it out, just like that. See that? It pops out. Then you're gonna go right here. Pop it out. Pop it out, okay? It comes out. Man. Now, when you guys go to put this back, you guys see that hook right there? That hook and that hook. It's sliding that hole right there, okay? It goes in that hole. So basically, you go like this, and you're gonna slide it in and snap it in. Okay. The reason why we take off this piece. It's a hidden screw right there. See that? Take the screw from right there. When you guys take that screw from there, so far, it's 1, 2. Next one right there, okay? Remember, got 2 of them. One goes right there, one goes there. Take that one there for do some, okay? Alright? Right side there. Take that one loose. 3. Then come down here in the bottom. Come down here in the bottom. There's another one right there. See out here? There's another one right there. Go ahead and take that screw from there, okay? Now, once you guys remove all the screws, right? Go ahead, guys. You guys see this groove right here? You're gonna slide your flathead up in it all the way, just like this. And you're gonna pull the trim panel away from the door. Just stay a little bit, okay? You're gonna take your tool out. You're gonna put your hands up in there, and you're gonna pull the trim panel away from the door. Now, once we do that, I'm gonna show you guys how to take the harness loose for the lock as well, okay? Now guys, those are the instructions on how to get off this trim panel. Okay, now stay back, stay tuned, and watch the work, baby. Let's get to work. Get my magnet. Need a magnet. Pull the trim band away from the door. Just like that. Trying to leave it. We're gonna pull it back. Show you how to take that harness loose and the cable. Come take a look. There you go, guys. I'll show you. Get out of here. Show you how to take this here. This cable here, guys, is the cable for the handle. This is the one that open the doors. Okay. Come down here, guys. See here. Right here, you're gonna pick this up. Be careful, don't break this. If you break this piece right here, guys, you got a problem. You're gonna have to change the whole cable. it's gonna be a real pain in the ass because you gotta take out the lock, change it. So please be careful. Gently go up with it and pull and push back, and come back with it out, and then you're gonna take it out just like that. When you go to put this thing back, it's simple. Just go ahead and put it back in hook position and lay it right back in the groove right there. Now that's how you take them loose. Now this piece over here, this harness right here, see this harness? Gotta come loose. Hold on. This one, guys. This piece out your way, okay? Yeah. Push this in, this tab. Push this tab in, and pull the pink one up. Pull it out. Basically, it's like this. Push this one in, pull this up, and it comes out. That's how you do that, okay? That's how you do that. Alright guys, as you see, chin panel guys, comes right off. Alright, just follow the instructions, and we are done. That's how you do that. Now I'm going to show you guys how to take off that mirror. Let's take a look. Show you how to take off this mirror. Come down here. First thing first, guys. We gotta take this piece out first, okay? So we're gonna come down here. This is the harness for it. See this brake clip? That is a safety clip. It says groove right here. You two in the groove. Pop it out. It's a black piece. Push it down. Push it in. Hold it down. And pull out. Comes right out. It's this right here. Push it in. Hold it down. Pull it out. Okay? This one right here. Says tab on top. Push it down. Hold it. Slide it out. Oh, I should it down. Let me see. Is it going up? I think it's going up or down. Let me see. Hold on, guys. I think it's a bad boy. Yeah, this one right here, this piece. Hold it up, guys. You're gonna hold it up. Slide this bad boy out. You can see the hook right there. But when you push this thing up, it comes off the hook. Okay, it comes out. Then right here, grab this bad boy, snap it out. It comes right out. See that? It comes right out. It comes off. Now, this piece right here, this harness right here, it comes out. Little clip right there. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down. Hold it. It comes out. Okay. Push it down. Hold it. It comes out. Bam. Just like that. Comes right out. Like this. Yeah. Now we got this piece right here. Put this piece up. Just like this. Also back here as well. Okay. Let's go like this now. Nothing. Open up like this. Guys, you see that screw right there? 2 of them. 1, 2. Get the bad boy out your way. Move it out your way. 3. Next one is right there. There's 2 of them. So 1, 2, 3. Those are star tip, guys. Those are star tip 6 points. Okay. Guys, the screws right there, guys. We're going to turn those screws to the left. All 3 of them. We're going to turn them to the left. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one is right there. I'll show you guys already. It's right inside there. Basically, you're gonna need a star tip, guys. Same thing. Star tip is a 6 point. The T30, guys. All right, your T30. Same thing as this one. Same exact thing. But these things have numbers. It's a T30. We're gonna take these 3 loops, and we're gonna take out that mirror. Let's get back to work. Open the phone, okay? Alright, push that through, guys. comes right out. Goes right out. I'm going to show you how to take out the door handle. Okay guys, I'll show you how to take off the handle. Guys, see this piece right here? We're gonna hold it. We're gonna pop this piece out. Come down here. There's next one right there. Go up, down, comes out. All right. Inside there, guys, it's a shiny screw inside there. And you guys see this car been messed with before. Some people messed with this car before. Inside there, you guys see that shiny screw right there? That's okay. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, that's what it is. So this is a star tip, guys. 6-1. Star tip 6-1. This one is a T20, guys. It's a T20. You're gonna put this in here. And you're gonna turn that to the left, okay? You're gonna turn this to the left. You're gonna open the handle out. You're gonna keep the handle open and turn this to the left, almost off the way. Then we're gonna pull this piece out. We're going to take this out, and then we're going to take the harness piece that is attached to this. Okay, that's how you take the handle out. All the way, guys, all the way. All the way until you feel full stop, okay? All the way. Guys, if the cap part comes off, don't worry, that happens sometimes, okay? Don't worry about that. Alright, now, this piece comes off. That is fine, okay? When you get yourself a pliers, guys, get the pliers, grab this, and you're gonna pull that piece out of there. Pliers, guys. Come on, man. It's a crap. Your pliers. Grab it. Pull it out. Comes right out, okay? That's how you take it out. I'm gonna show you guys something. When you guys go to put this piece back, I'm gonna show you something. Alright guys, please, this is very important. Pay attention, okay? When you guys go to put this piece back, it's simple. The strap right here, just go ahead and snap the cap back on top of it, okay? It snaps back on, okay? It literally snaps right back on. Now, this is the important part. You guys see this piece right here? That piece right there. Make sure that piece is all the way in. This piece, it moves. This piece moves. Make sure it's all the way back. See that? Just like that. Make sure it's all the way back, all the way in. Make sure it's clear right there, okay? Then you're gonna slide this piece in. You're gonna slide it in. Now, if you go put this piece in and it doesn't slide in, that means you gotta push this piece back, okay? Make sure it's all the way back. And it goes right in. That's how you do that. Now, you're gonna take this piece off. Grab the handle, guys, come back, take it out. That's that. Pull it out. Now, I'm gonna show you how to take the harness loose. Take a look. Okay guys, in order to lose this Just hold this right here. It's simple. Hold on. Hold on, guys. All right. Loose this one right here. Try my best to show you guys. It's two ways you can do it. I can push this back. You can either push this top piece back, or you can go up on the lead here, pick this up, slide it off. Comes right off. Okay? See that? Hold it. Oh God, man. You can either push this back, okay, or come up on knee here. I'm gonna pry this up, and it comes right off. Okay. So basically, this black clip right here. This black clip right here. You're gonna pick this up. It comes right off. Just like that. See that? Comes off. So basically, what we did, we picked that black piece up and slide it out. When you guys gonna put it back in, and start push this piece back. Alright, so you do that. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. This one guys, it look hard, but it's not, okay? It is not that hard. Just take your time, pay attention, get the job done, alright? So with that said, guys, please hit that like, and find that subscribe, baby. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you want to check it out, baby. Bam!